Welcome back to the Garden of Trees, brought to you by the Love Always Foundation. And before you start this video, press pause, and like and subscribe. Have a good. You hear them beautiful birds? One of the beautiful things about birds is that their pitch, their tweeting, is at a frequency so in harmony that it helps plants grow. And so on the horizon, when they tweeting and they chirping, they singing, they jazzing, it's helping the plants grow. And the same thing when the sun going down, they flying through the sky, jazzing. The plants is growing. It's a beautiful thing. Putting on this chicken door. So this was with a window from before. Now I got to cut this piece out right here to put on the door. So we got it marked off, and so let's get to it. Are we recording still? All right, man. Bop. Here we go. And so look, the screws on the side can't be too tight because there's a bracket right here that the door has to slide down on. If the bracket's too tight, it won't allow it to close because it'll squeeze the door that goes up and down, and it'll hit this right here, and this light right here blink red, causing it to go back up. It's kind of like a safety mechanism. Green mean go. Green mean grow. Got the board right here, got the pieces in there. The reason why I gotta do it like this is because this door don't gotta, it's pretty skinny, and so it need extra support. So each one we put in, we gotta test the door to make sure it go down. And there's no hooks. It look nice and clean. Let's get it back up, let's see. All right, let's continue. We got the rim set up, we got the door open. Now all we gotta do now is set it, and we're gonna set it for 9 o'clock to close when the sun rolls over, and then to rise, I believe we're probably gonna set it like at 6:30. So now we got the fam bam with us, Hau, and now we're about to go set the gate to close at a proper time. So I believe that is program mode, and so it counts down. Has a blinking light. It's kind of like a code.
I can see.
Let's see.
It's just...
So 9 o'clock, the door gonna close, and when the sun rises, it's gonna open.
Configurator setup. Place your phone onto the light sensor. If the programming worked, the light sensor will turn green and a beeping sound will play.
Oh, that didn't happen. We gotta redo it.
All right, let's redo it.
So hold it until it's blue.
All right, reset. Look at the chickies. They ain't hopped on their swing yet. You wanna see, Marley? Look. You wanna hold it? All right, you can get it right now.
Until the light sensor shows blue. Then release and press again to enter configuration mode.
Oh, I have to press it
Step
again.
2.
Oh, so once it's blue, you gotta press it one more time and then put the thing up to it. All right, cool. All right, Marley, we ready? Hold it right there. Oh, right here. So it's blue. Now push it again. Ding. Now we put the light up to it so to read it. Bling, 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 bling.
Here we go.
There it is. Good job. Give me 5. Give me 5. Here, give me Marley. Give me 5. Give me 5. Come. All right. So my sunset clock may be a little bit different than the technology. So I manually closed it by myself. So I'm going out now to make sure the door is still shut, to make sure it didn't offset it, because I manually shut it. Let's go see what's up. It's dark out here. I need a flashlight. Told y'all it's dark out here. Let's make sure this door's still shut. We gotta hop the gate. All right, still shut. That's good. Grand Rise, you know that chicken meal eating good. They got oranges, flaxseed, tomatoes, bananas, mangoes, all that good stuff. Ladies eating good. All right.